frustrated. Hello to my loneliness.
Hello friends, so today is Friday. I'm getting ready to go to SeaTac. I'm flying to Philly for the next week. I'm just visiting my boyfriend, so yeah, I'm excited. I haven't seen him in like 2 months. It's also nice to get a break from work. And after this week, I'm going to have 3 more days of work and then I'll be all done. Yeah, come with me. This is my airport outfit. Just some black sweats and a hoodie. Let's go. So it's the weekend after I arrived in Philly, and basically this week we're going on a little East Coast adventure to a few different places over the course of the week. So today for the first stop, we're driving up for a little day trip to New York City, which is about a 2-hour drive from Philadelphia. So we just finished lunch at San Marzano and now we're heading into Brooklyn to go to a cafe, get some work done for a little bit, and then go shopping in the area.
Giving me wind and rain, you're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. Get high. You can run, but you get high. You can run, but you get high.
Our second stop is Longwood Gardens, which is a famous botanical garden an hour away from Philadelphia. was fall time when we went, so there were still tons of flowers and plants to see, and we went in the late afternoon so that we could catch the sunset there and see the light exhibitions at night.
I found it. Look at all these trees.
The next day, we drove 2 hours to our last stop, which is Cape May, a cute little beach town on the tip of New Jersey. The beach was so calm and pretty here, and we found a secret little spot for just the 2 of us. Umbrella works rain or shine. We use the always.
Thanks, Grace.
Thanks, Grace.